Ay. Ma'am,
Yes po.
may kamatis kayo dyan. Pabili ako, be. Kalahating
Kamatis?
kilo lang. Kailangan ni nanay. Pinabili ako ni nanay ng kamatis eh.
Ay, walang kamatis dito?
Wala.
Wala.
Ay, ano, red tomato, sabi mo?
Oo, ay restaurant po namin yan. Pangalan po na restaurant.
Wala kayong kamatis?
Wala.
Ano?
Ay.
Ayusin nyo.
Ay sir, baka available ka. Kailangan kasi namin ngayon na extra na trabahador ng waiter.
Waiter?
O, ang
Bakit?
dami naming customer.
Diyan sa restaurant?
Opo, dito sa restaurant.
Kailangan nyo ng
Sa
tao?
Red Tomato. Opo.
Sige, ako tayo. Kailangan ko ng income ngayon eh.
Ay, very good sir.
Ano ba kailangan ko?
Wala po, mag-serve lang po kayo.
Sige, tayo ngayon na.
Sige po.
Sige, salamat.
Sir, sir, sir. Ay, yun. Ba't kinagatan mo yan?
Ay, sorry ma'am, first time ko po kasi maging waiter. Ma'am, masarap tong pizza namin ma'am ha. It will. Enjoy. Ay ma'am, ito na po yung baby shark back ribs.
Baby
Sarap
shark?
yan, opo ma'am.
Kuya. I-assist mo muna yun. Assist mo muna yun. Bilis.
English speaking yun ma'am.
Kaya mo yan. Dali na. Sige na.
Kano yun eh.
Kaya. Sige na. Bilis na muna.
I try my... Welcome to Red Tomato. It's very yummy. What is order?
Okay, sir.
Order?
Let me look. You have a pizza.
Yes.
What's your bestseller?
Bestseller.
Bestseller.
This
This one.
Italiano pepperoni.
What's this pizza? What's on the pizza?
English speaking. Do you speak Tagalog? No.
Cuente lang. Sorry, sir.
No.
Cuente lang.
No.
Sorry.
This.
Yes, this one.
Oh.
But what about this one? What's this one? Is it good?
It's good. Very good.
Yeah.
Very good. Yummy.
Okay.
It's English speaking.
So which one should I choose? I need translator. Translator.
Yes.
Oh my God. What happened? Do you have a tomato? Do you have something here? What happened to you?
It's the red tomato.
Are you okay?
I'm good. Sabi waiter lang. Tapos pinalaban nila ako ng English. Ayoko na.